होके सब कहते हैं ये दिन आता रहे दिल गाता रहे हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू
Happy anniversary to you.
शादी की याद कुछ दिन
You have made so many compromises to come so far, but in the end, it is the smile on your face that makes us so happy for you. True love, sweet memories, and a blissful life together. You have so many reasons to celebrate this day with lights and flowers.
मधाणिया हाय वे मेरे टाटिया रबा किन्ना जम्मिया किन्ना ने ले जानिया हाय वे मेरे टाट
Rakhi Prakash. You are human rose who spread the fragrance of your presence wherever you live. The essence always remains with us. Your papa, Shilpi, Swapnil, Srishti, Shantam, Apurv, and Shagun wish you a very happy marriage anniversary. Every human being has to pass through 6 life cycles, each 12 years as shown on the computer screen. Your marriage dates back to 30th November 1993. Therefore, at present, you are enjoying 5th life cycle, which signifies time for family caring and social welfare activities. A very special marriage anniversary of Rakhi and Prakash. We pray Almighty that you both cherish every second of this day, enjoy every moment you smile. On this occasion, I appraise you with unique feature of my invention known as solar clock. You combined fate line of happiness for the decade 2021 to 2031 is presented below. Happiness index blue bar depicts happiness index of Prakash and red bar represents happiness index of Rakhi. It is apparent that combined happiness index never goes below 57% at any point during the decade. In 2021, Prakash's happiness index falls to 37%, but it is boosted by Rakhi's fate to 70%. Therefore, your match is perfect and ideal. Dear viewers, we have presented very special application of Solar Clock Happiness Index in birthday greetings, managing stock market activities, etc. If anyone is interested in getting happiness index of particular life cycle to know information about marriage, professional career, election of PM candidate, etc. We regularly launch videos on the following. Number 1. Solar Clock application in decision making on day-to-day problems. Number 2. Use of Shagun soft apps to boost monthly income of our followers through work from home options. Number 3. Arrange video making contest to motivate inherent talents of our followers. Thank you.